in the spirit of time and effort, today I've decided to film a writing video, but not a vlog. Let's not get it confused. Talking about my writing or lack thereof a writing process and how I feel about it and what I've been doing to basically talk myself into a writing career. I guess I shouldn't have to, but it's a long story. Anyway, this is my writing journal notebook. So I take writing prompts, I take certain elements of writing, and I'll just write out certain entries. Like sometimes I'll take a writing prompt and write out a story with the prompt, a one-page story. Or there have been times where I found like words and antonyms and synonyms for those words. I haven't been consistent. I've never been consistent with my writing. That's the downside. This is a page where I had some synonyms. So my goal right now is to build up my writing practice. So today is Monday, August 3rd. And it is the first day I'm implementing this new time blocking schedule for my work days. Implementing this schedule for my work days because it's a triple-edged sword. I'm a little nervous and I think I'm overthinking it, but next time block, which I'm gonna have to stop filming for, is my writing time block. So my plan, things don't go to plan, but my plan is to have a writing prompt to warm up, to work on the project that I have, which is my Substack review for I Who Have Never Known Men. And then if I have time, do like a warm down. I was thinking like spend 15 minutes doing a warm up, 30 minutes writing, 15 minutes doing like a warm out. But that may be too much, and I can just switch between technical writing prompts and creative writing prompts. So I think the best thing for me to do is spend 15 minutes warming up and then the other 45 minutes just writing. I've not done it. I've never done this. So it feels like it might be a lot, but I do realize that I am freaking out and overthinking and trying to talk myself out of this, because this is something that is bringing about major change in my life. It's bringing about growth, and it's giving me the ability to see progress and results in the areas that I want to see. So how long have I been making this video for? 4 minutes? I don't realistically know how I'm going to tackle this. I'm starting with Substack because it kind of feels like Substack is safe. It kind of feels like I don't know the algorithm on Substack. Most people don't know the algorithm on Substack. There's no point in trying to chase trends because I'm not a trendsetter and I'm not a trend participator. There's no point in me really obsessing over this process. I'll do a warm up. If I need 15 minutes to do the warm up, I'll take 15 minutes. If I exceed that and I need to get into a project, I just exceed it. And I guess the part of me that I am working on is still in the throes of things have to be difficult. If they're not difficult, they're not yielding fruit. But things don't have to be difficult. And sometimes the most productive forms of time or time mapping, whatever, is the simplest stuff. It's really the easiest stuff. So I'm just rambling at this point. I go back and edit these videos. I realize I don't do well with talking to the camera because I'm not used to talking to the camera. But hopefully the schedule will beat that out of me. Anyway, what my hope is that by the end of this week, I can see slow but steady progress, right? Getting everything that I need to have in order, having my writing routine simplified and there, and just showing up and doing it. That's going to take me where I need to go. And it is nerve-wracking only on the front of this is unfamiliar territory. I've never stepped into this type of responsibility and calling. And I may be making a mountain out of a molehill. The good thing might be that me stressing or worrying or doubting any of these processes is me making a mountain out of a molehill. I'm really overcomplicating and stressing about things that absolutely do not matter. But I kind of feel like that's the life of a writer. I kind of feel like that is the downfall, or I don't want to say downfall, but the default setting of a writer. Yeah.